To use a credit card without paying interest, it is essential to understand how credit cards work and the terms associated with them. First, choose a credit card with a 0% introductory annual percentage rate or a low ongoing rate. This will help minimize the interest you owe. Next, make sure you understand the credit card's billing cycle and due date. The billing cycle is the period between the last statement date and the current statement date. And the due date is when your payment is due. To avoid paying interest, you must pay your balance in full before the due date. Another crucial step is to set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. You can usually do this through your credit card issuer's website or mobile app. Set the payment to be the full balance or the statement balance to avoid interest charges. Additionally, keep track of your spending to ensure you can afford to pay your balance in full. Make a budget and regularly review your credit card statements to monitor your expenses. Avoid making impulse purchases or buying things you cannot afford, as this can lead to debt and interest charges. It is also important to be aware of fees associated with your credit card, such as late fees or foreign transaction fees. These fees can add up quickly, so make sure you understand what you are being charged for. To further avoid paying interest, consider using the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. This will help you manage your finances effectively and ensure you have enough money to pay your credit card balance in full. In summary, using a credit card without paying interest requires discipline, budgeting, and a clear understanding of your credit card's terms. By choosing the right credit card, making timely payments, tracking your spending, and being aware of fees, you can avoid paying interest and make the most of your credit card.